Good morning, dear my friends. Welcome to my pronunciation lesson. Before starting the lesson, let me introduce myself. My name is Samet and I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. Today, with my students, we will work on the T sounds in English. That's right, dear my students. Hello, how are you? How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. What is the weather today? Sarah, what's the weather today like? It is a bit rainy, okay, and it's getting colder. Okay. Dear my students, good morning again. Today we will be talking about the T sounds, the T sounds in English. If you want to work and be better at the T sounds in English, you can pronounce the T sounds better at the end of the lesson. So before starting the lesson, I want to show you a small video about T sounds, about glottal T. We say glottal T. Let let me show you the glottal T all together.
Is for
And he just explained
glottal T. When we have a T vowel and N, we pronounce the T as For example, important,
important,
written,
certain,
eaten, cotton, button, mountain, curtain, Manhattan. Cheers.
You want to listen together?
When we have a T vowel and N,
Once again,
we pronounce the T as For example,
important,
written, certain, eaten, cotton,
button, mountain,
Manhattan.
curtain,
Cheers.
Manhattan. Did you get it, my friends? Yeah. We say it is glottal T, but we will talk about glottal T a bit later, just the T sounds. Let's talk about regular T, for example, regular T. So let me explain here. Example, for example, regular T, top or 10, top or 10 or 2, top or 10 or 2. It is, as you see, is regular T, top, 10, 2. For example, I'm going to the supermarket, or top, or 10 years old. So let's talk about stop T. There's also a T, a kind of stop T. For example, pop, or that, or but. We say it stop T, pop, that, or but. And let's talk about flap T. We say this flap T. Flap T, it is, for example, we say it's kind of D. It's written T, but it's reading the. For example, water. You probably say water, but in British English or in American English, people always say water, because there are two vowels here, A and E. Water. Or another example is better. Let's talk about glottal stop. Glottal T. As I mentioned before, as I show an Instagram video before, glottal T like this. For example, kitten, or for example, mountain. You probably say mountain. No way. We say in English mountain. Written. Repeat after me. Kitten. And we have two more things. For example, and there is also T, and you pronounce like ch, or ch is as transcript. We say it like this, ch, and it is, for example, action, or imagination. For example, there's a T here, but we say imagination, or this, action, or action. And we have one more, and it's pronounced like sh, 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 sh. For example, of actually, I'm sorry, it was sh, and this one gonna be ch, 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 ch. For example, tree is gonna be tree, tree, or or it's gonna be also try. Is written T, is written T, but we say try. I wanna try. I want to try, or tree, tree. And we have four more. We have four things as well. For example, T pronunciation. T pronunciation, dear my friends, dear my students. If T, if the word T is between a vowel, it pronounced like D. It pronounced like D. For example, as I mentioned before, water. Two vowels, water, and you probably say water. It's gonna be D. Or matter. For example, it doesn't matter. There are two vowel here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Or if between, for example, T sounds between a vowel and L or R. Let me give an example. For example, there is a vowel here and there is L here. It's gonna be pronounced bottle, 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 bottle of water, bottle of. Do not talk. Bottle of water. No, bottle of water, bottle of water. And we have more. For example, dirty, dirty, dirty. We say dirty, 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 because there's R sound and a E, dirty. And we have also T with silent, for example, and it also pronounced like D. And we have also T, like as I mentioned before, curtain. We say glottal T, curtain, curtain, curtain. Or we have one more. For example, if T at the end of the word, it is, dear my students, stopped T. It is stopped T. For example, fat, or lot. Stop fat or lot. It is the T sound. And as an assessment, it will be homework, and you will record yourself at home with the T sounds.